Hey everybody, I just wanted to put a quick video up here. I have a SIMRAD Cruise 7 chart plotter in the boat, and I continue to have this issue where when I hook it up, it's not showing the depth, and for some reason the transducer keeps going into a paused mode. So just wanted to drop a quick video out here and show everybody how to get beyond that, because I see there's a number of other folks that are having the same problem as I'm searching the internet looking for solutions. So I think I found it, putting this out there. Comment below if you have the same issue or if this helped you. As you'll see on the chart right now, I'm actually showing the water temperature, I'm showing the voltage, I'm showing the course over ground, and also I'm showing the speed over ground. Of course, I'm just sitting here, so that's just how the GPS is collecting on this. But I'm not showing any depth. So what I identified today was if we go over here and we hit the 9 dots and go over to echo mode, press the button, and we get into the echo mode, you'll see that the transducer is paused. Depth still isn't showing anything. So what I'll do is I'll go over here, I'll click this button and actually scroll down to more options. When I go to more options, you'll see as we scroll down here, it says pause. When I click that again, all of a sudden now we are showing the depth. So for some reason that was checked. If I hit the X button back, hit the X button, and then go back over here and hit chart, then that way now we're showing the depth on the chart plotter itself. So I hope this helps somebody. I know this has been frustrating me, and looking online is frustrating other folks. So just wanted to share a quick tutorial on how to get out of that paused transducer mode. Take care. Hope this helps. Have a great day. Safe boating.